Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you are looking for a little energy boost or a little extra vitamin C to give you a little kickstart, then I would recommend this Emergen-C. This is 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, and it also has B vitamins. And let me tell you, when I'm feeling tired, run down, maybe I feel like I'm getting a cold, or just need a little bit of energy, then I mix up one of these, and in no time, I'm feeling really good and ready to go. So they come in these little packets. So you get 30 packets in a box, and there's a little powder inside. You just mix it up with some water, and it's nice and fizzy, and it's kind of fun to drink, and it has a really nice flavor. I love the Cranberry-Pomegranate. It does come in other flavors as well, and all of them are super yummy. So a little secret tip from me, I love to mix this with sparkling water, and it just enhances all the fizz and bubbles of the Emergen-C powder, and I think it's really fun to drink and super tasty. So if you're looking for a little boost, then I would definitely recommend the Emergen-C, whether you're getting sick or trying to prevent getting sick, or you just need some extra energy, then I would definitely give it a try, and that's my point of view.